Picture this scene. It's opening morning of deer season. You've been sitting in your stand since before dawn. The air is cold and crisp. Your breath hangs like smoke in the early light. And then you see him, a massive buck stepping out of the tree line, perfectly broadside at 40 yards. Your heart is pounding. Your hands are shaking. You take the shot. It's a clean hit. The buck goes down within 60 yards. You climb down from your stand, walk over to your harvest, and feel that rush of pride and gratitude that every hunter knows. But now comes the real work. The part that separates experienced hunters from beginners. The part that determines whether you bring home beautiful clean cuts of meat or a mangled mess that wastes the animal you just harvested. It's time to field dress, skin, and butcher your game. And in that moment, nothing matters more than the knife in your hand. A sharp, well-designed hunting knife makes the entire process faster, cleaner, and more efficient. It glides through skin and connective tissue with precision. It separates joints cleanly. It allows you to work quickly in the field before the meat spoils. The difference between a good hunting experience and a terrible one often comes down to 6 inches of steel and a comfortable handle. Your hunting knife is arguably the most important tool in your entire hunting kit. More important than your pack, your boots, or even your optics. Because without a quality knife, everything that happens after the shot becomes infinitely harder. We're counting down from number 8 to number 1. And I promise you, when we reveal that number 1 pick, you're going to want to add it to your cart immediately. Let's dive in. Number 8, Outdoor Edge Razor Pro Double Blade. Starting us off at number 8, we have one of the most innovative and practical hunting knives today, the Outdoor Edge Razor Pro Double Blade. And right out of the gate, this knife challenges everything you think you know about what a hunting knife should be. Now I know what some traditional hunters are thinking. Real hunters sharpen their own knives. And I respect that perspective completely. But let me present the practical reality. When you're in the field, it's 32 degrees, your hands are cold and bloody, the light is fading fast, and you have 2 more deer to process before dark. Do you really want to spend 10 minutes trying to find the right angle on a sharpening stone with numb fingers? Or would you rather pop in a fresh blade in 5 seconds and keep working? The Razor Pro actually gives you 2 blades in one knife. It features a primary 3.5-inch drop point blade for skinning and general field dressing work, and a secondary gutting blade that's specifically designed to open the body cavity without puncturing the intestines or stomach. This gut hook blade has a blunt tip that slides under the skin and a sharp inner edge that cuts from the inside out. It's an incredibly clever design that prevents one of the most common and most frustrating field dressing mistakes: accidentally cutting into the gut cavity and contaminating your meat with digestive fluids. The handle is made from a rubberized thermoplastic material with aggressive texturing that provides outstanding grip even when your hands are wet, cold, and bloody. The handle shape is ergonomically designed with a comfortable palm swell and a slight finger groove that keeps the knife locked securely in your hand during the pushing and pulling motions of skinning. But the Outdoor Edge Razor Pro Double Blade is an absolute game changer. It earns its spot on this list by proving that innovation and tradition can coexist beautifully in the hunting world. Number 7, Buck Knives 119 Special. We have a knife that is quite possibly the most iconic hunting knife in American history, the Buck 119 Special. If you close your eyes and picture a classic hunting knife, the image in your mind is probably the Buck 119. It's that legendary. The Buck 119 Special was introduced in 1943 during World War II, and it has remained in continuous production for over 80 years. In a world where products come and go with dizzying speed, the 119 has endured because it does exactly what a hunting knife needs to do, and it does it exceptionally well. The 119 features a 6-inch clip point blade made from Buck's proprietary 420HC stainless steel. Now, Buck's 420HC is not the same as generic 420HC you'd find on a budget knife. Buck has developed and refined their heat treatment process over decades, the Paul Boss heat treatment, named after Buck's legendary heat treat specialist, and it produces results that significantly outperform what the steel's basic specifications would suggest. The blade achieves a Rockwell hardness of 58 HRC, which provides excellent edge retention while maintaining enough toughness to resist chipping during heavy use. The clip point blade profile is one of the most classic and versatile shapes in hunting knife history. The concave curve of the clip creates a fine, sharp point that excels at piercing and detail work, inserting into joints, starting cuts, and coring around the anus during field dressing. The sweeping belly of the blade provides excellent slicing surface for long, smooth skinning strokes. And the overall blade length of 6 inches gives you plenty of working edge for separating hide from muscle on larger game animals like elk and moose. The handle ergonomics are traditional and time-tested. The 119 comes with Buck's genuine leather sheath, which is beautifully crafted from thick, quality leather with a snap retention strap. The Buck 119 is more than a knife. It's a piece of American hunting culture. Number 6. Havalon Piranha Edge. We have a knife that has absolutely revolutionized the way hunters approach field dressing and skinning. The Havalon Piranha Edge. If the Outdoor Edge Razor Pro at number 8 introduced you to the concept of replaceable blade hunting knives, the Piranha Edge is the knife that perfected it. These aren't ordinary knife blades. They are actual surgical-grade blades manufactured to the same specifications as blades used in operating rooms. They are insanely sharp. We're talking sharp enough to split individual hairs. Sharp enough to make the finest cuts through skin and connective tissue with virtually zero effort. Sharp enough that the blade glides through hide like it isn't even there. The practical impact of this level of sharpness on field dressing performance cannot be overstated. When you're skinning a deer with a Piranha Edge, the blade does all the work. You don't need to apply pressure. You don't need to saw back and forth. You simply guide the blade, and it separates skin from muscle with surgical precision. Knives. But here's what experienced hunters know. For skinning and field dressing, you don't need a long blade. In fact, a shorter blade gives you better control and precision, especially when working around joints, tendons, and delicate areas where a longer blade might slip and damage meat or puncture organs. The 2.75-inch blade length is actually the sweet spot for detailed game processing work. The handle is made from a high-impact ABS polymer with a rubberized overmold that provides excellent grip security. The Piranha Edge weighs an almost unbelievable 1.5 ounces. That's lighter than most cell phones. You could carry it in your pocket and forget it's there until you need it. Now, the Piranha Edge is not a heavy-duty knife. It's not designed for battening wood, chopping, or rough camp work. It's a specialized precision tool designed for one job, processing game, and it does that one job better than virtually anything. Number 5. Benchmade 15002 Saddle. It represents the pinnacle of American craftsmanship applied to hunting. The Benchmade 15002 Saddle Mountain Skinner. The Saddle Mountain Skinner was designed from the ground up as a dedicated hunting knife. This isn't a survival knife that happens to work for hunting or a tactical knife that's been repurposed for the field. This is a knife that was conceived, engineered, and built with one singular purpose: to be the best possible tool for skinning and processing game animals. The blade is 4.17 inches long, made from CPM S30V stainless steel. Now, CPM S30V is widely regarded as one of the finest knife steels available for hunting applications. It's a premium American-made steel produced by Crucible Industries using their proprietary crucible particle metallurgy process. This process creates an incredibly uniform steel with evenly distributed vanadium carbides that provide outstanding edge retention. That CPM S30V also offers excellent corrosion resistance, which is critical for a hunting knife that will be exposed to blood, body fluids, moisture, and varying weather conditions. The blade profile is a carefully designed drop point with a slightly swept belly that's optimized for skinning strokes. The curve of the belly allows the blade to follow the natural contours of the animal's body, around shoulders, along the spine, over the rib cage, creating smooth, continuous cuts that separate hide from muscle cleanly and efficiently. The tip is strong enough for detail work around joints and connective tissue, but not so aggressive that it risks puncturing organs during field dressing. The handle shape features a subtle palm swell and ergonomic contouring that fills the hand naturally and prevents rotation during use. And of course, every Benchmade knife comes with their legendary Life Sharp warranty. Send your knife back anytime for free sharpening, cleaning, adjustment, and maintenance. This knife delivers in every possible. Number 4. Buck Knives 110 Folding Hunter. Now, I know what you're thinking. Wait, this is a folding knife on a list of hunting knives. And you're right. The Buck 110 is technically a folding knife. But it's so important, so iconic, and so effective as a hunting tool that no list of best hunting knives would be complete without it. Excluding the Buck 110 from a hunting knife list would be like making a list of the best American cars and leaving out the Ford Mustang. It's simply not done. Before the 110, folding knives were generally considered too weak and too small for serious hunting work. Fixed blades ruled the hunting world without question. Then Al Buck designed the 110 with a revolutionary lockback mechanism that transformed the folding knife from a gentleman's pocket knife into a serious working tool that could handle the demands of field dressing and game processing. The 110 features a 3.75-inch clip point blade made from Buck's proprietary heat-treated 420HC stainless steel. As we discussed with the Buck 119, Buck's heat treatment of 420HC produces results that significantly exceed what the base steel specifications would predict. The blade achieves excellent edge retention, outstanding corrosion resistance, and good toughness, a trifecta that makes it ideal for the varied and demanding tasks of hunting. The clip-point blade shape provides a fine, sharp tip for starting cuts and detail work, and a generous belly curve for efficient skinning strokes. At 3.75 inches, the blade is compact enough for precise control, but long enough for practical field dressing work on deer-size game. The lockback mechanism is the heart of the 110's reliability. When you open the blade, a steel rocker bar locks into a notch in the blade tang, creating a positive, solid lock that prevents the blade from closing during use. The Buck 110 comes with a genuine leather belt sheath with a snap closure. The Buck 110 Folding Hunter isn't just a great hunting knife, it's a piece of art. Number 3. ESE4HM. At number 3, we have a knife from one of the most respected names in the survival and outdoor knife industry, the ESE4HM, which stands for Hunting Modified. And this knife is something truly special because it takes the proven ESE4 platform, one of the most trusted survival knives on Earth, and modifies it specifically for hunting applications. The ESE4HM takes the standard ESE4 blade, which is already one of the most versatile and capable outdoor knives available, and modifies it with a handle shape specifically optimized for hunting tasks. The blade is 4.5 inches long, made from 1095 carbon steel with a hardness of 55 to 57 HRC. This is the same proven steel and heat treatment that has made ESE knives legendary in the survival community. The 1095 steel takes an incredibly keen edge, sharper than most stainless steels can achieve, and is extremely easy to sharpen in the field. A few passes on a ceramic rod or even a smooth river rock will restore a shaving-sharp edge in seconds. Now, some hunters might be concerned about using carbon steel for a hunting knife because carbon steel can rust if not maintained. The cutting edge itself is left bare for maximum sharpness, and a simple wipe down with oil after use keeps it in perfect condition. Many experienced hunters actually prefer carbon steel for hunting because it's easier to get sharper and easier to resharpen than stainless alternatives. The blade profile is a versatile drop point with a flat saber grind. The drop point provides a strong, controllable tip for detail work, and the flat grind creates efficient slicing geometry that makes skinning strokes smooth and effortless. The handle is canvas micarta, tough, weather-resistant, and grippy when wet. Blood, water, mud, fat. None of it makes the micarta handle slippery. For hunters who want a knife that can do everything, that the ESE4HM is one of the finest choices available. Number 2. Benchmade 15017 Hidden Canyon Hunter. This knife is a masterclass in purposeful design. Every single element, every curve, every angle, every dimension has been carefully calculated to create the ideal fixed blade hunting knife. There is not a single wasted feature on this knife. Nothing is there for decoration. Nothing is there for marketing appeal. Everything serves a specific, practical purpose that makes this knife better at processing game. The blade is a compact 2.79 inches long. Now, that might sound short, and compared to traditional hunting knives, it is short. But here's what experienced game processors know. 2.79 inches is plenty of blade for skinning and field dressing any North American game animal, from whitetail deer to moose. In fact, a shorter blade actually gives you better control. You can make more precise cuts. You're less likely to accidentally puncture internal organs. You're less likely to cut through hide you want to preserve. And you can work in tight spaces, around joints, along the spine, inside the pelvic cavity, where a longer blade would be clumsy and dangerous. The blade is made from CPM S30V stainless steel, the same premium American-made steel used in the Saddle Mountain Skinner at number 5. This steel provides outstanding edge retention, excellent corrosion resistance, and the ability to take a very keen edge. For a hunting knife, CPM S30V is arguably the ideal steel. It stays sharp through extended field dressing sessions, resists the corrosive effects of blood and body fluids, and sharpens readily when maintenance is needed. The blade grind is a full flat grind that runs nearly to the spine, creating thin, efficient cutting geometry. Hidden Canyon Hunter weighs only 2.52 ounces. For mountain hunters, backcountry hunters, weight-conscious hunters, and anyone who values precision and control over raw blade length, Hidden Canyon Hunter is quite simply one of the finest hunting knives ever produced. Number 1. Bark River Knives Bravo 1.25 LT. And here it is, the moment you've been waiting for. The number 1 spot. The best hunting knife of 2026 The number one hunting knife of 2026 is the Bark River Bravo 1.25 LT, the Lightweight Hunter Edition. The Bravo 1.25 LT is a purpose-built hunting knife that represents the culmination of everything Bark River has learned about blade design, steel selection, handle ergonomics, and real-world field performance over decades of knife making. It's a knife designed specifically for hunters by knife makers who are hunters. The blade is 4.25 inches long, the same proven length as the standard Bravo one, made from premium steel. The most popular version available on Amazon uses CPM 154 or CPM 3V steel. CPM 154 is a premium stainless steel that offers exceptional edge retention and outstanding corrosion resistance, the two most important properties for a hunting knife that will encounter blood, body fluids, and wet weather. CPM 3V, which we've discussed extensively in our survival knife video, offers extraordinary toughness and very good edge retention. Both steels are excellent choices, and you genuinely cannot go wrong with either. But the real magic of the Bravo 1.25 LT is the blade grind. Bark River uses their signature convex grind, the same legendary grind that has made the standard Bravo 1 famous in the survival and bushcraft communities. The convex grind creates a blade edge that curves gently outward rather than meeting at a flat V angle. This geometry is simultaneously the strongest and one of the most efficient edge types possible. For hunting, the convex grind is absolutely phenomenal. Here's why. When you draw a convex ground blade along the inside of an animal's hide to separate skin from muscle, the curved geometry parts the connective tissue smoothly and progressively. The Bark River Bravo 1.25 LT Lightweight Hunter is tough enough for the hardest tasks hunting demands. This is the best hunting knife of 2026.